Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this gorga day? Hi you guys, it's currently raining, torrential downpour, cats and dogs. Bitch is like a sprinkle. Me swearing, me being from LA, being like, you guys, it's raining outside, it's so crazy, I'm scared to drive. Hydroplaning. But it's literally like just pebbles of water, like barely. But anyways, you guys, what is up? Today we're Manny out in the field, living life. Live, laugh, loving. You know what I mean?
How am I supposed to live, laugh, love in these conditions?
Today, I'm actually gonna go to Home Goods really quickly to kind of go shopping around and see if there's any things I could use for my beauty room space. Let me tell you something real quick. I haven't been to Home Goods in like 10 years. Since I lived in San Diego, I haven't been to Home Goods in literally like 10 years. So I'm excited to see what is in there. What's it about? I don't even know. I haven't been in like 10 years. I don't even remember. Like, and I went with my mom. Like, so it was literally one of those things where I went with her because she was already going. And I was just like, Mom, hurry up. Like, come on. It wasn't for anything for me. So this is gonna be a very different experience for the first time. So I'm very excited. I'm very intrigued, elated. So that's what today's video is gonna be, you guys. We're gonna kind of decorate some of the beauty room. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do the whole beauty room today, but I definitely want to do it like at least like my background and stuff like that, where like you see in the YouTube content. I want to at least do that. You know, I want to at least do that. Anyways, you guys, that's what today's video is going to be. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys don't like me, please fucking watch it. No joke with that. But if you guys do like this video, if you guys like shopping and redecorating and renovating, if you guys like the gays, hello, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. But yeah, let's go get started on our little Home Goods excursion. Should I do Vlogmas? No, huh? No, that's not for me. It's not my vibe. But sometimes I think about it, you know, like it's like we're getting to that point. Like we're in November, we're getting to December soon. Like it's spook. No, it's not spooky anymore. What the fuck? It's jolly. And I'm like, do I want to? In my mind, I'm like, yeah, that's such a great idea. Like, I love that idea. But then in reality and in practice, I'm like, what the fuck?
What the fuck is going on in here on this day?
I can't do that. Am I crazy? I don't even do things. You know?
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Do y'all know what's so funny? Is I don't really know how to style like something, you know? And yet here we are. Attempting, but I feel like it's good to try new things. Okay guys, so the gag is that this is a Marshalls / Home Goods. It's not just Home Goods. So there's like a full makeup section over here, but I'm trying to be strong. So there's like a ton of Christmas stuff here, which is like not good because I just want regular decor. Okay, I'm gonna keep hunting. I'm scared. I don't want gnomes right now. So I saw this and I think this is really cute. This like piece of wood, a little wooden bowl. And I'm like, oh, that's cute, like for a background vibe. So I thought Home Goods wasn't like super expensive, right? So then I go and I look, $50.
Wait a damn minute.
It's gonna be a journey. It's gonna be a journey in here. Now this, right here, this is my fantasy. You're coming home with me.
You're coming home with me.
Yes, you are. It's just such a pretty vase. I love this. One down. Okay, that was really cute. I feel like with here, you have to kind of like search and hunt. Oh, the black one's nice too. This one. What do you guys think? Looks like a fucking ass cheek. The gray one's cute, but I like this one better. Y'all see anything you like? What do you want me to get? I feel like the pickings are slim. I feel like the pickings are quite slim here. I have 2 vases, and that's all I've gotten so far. And as I walk through, I'm like, I'm not that impressed, y'all. I'm not that impressed. And the music's so fucking loud here, I'm gonna get fucking copyright struck.
And
Okay, I just passed by the makeup section, the beauty section, and they have this genius thing, a little Christmas thing for $10. Real Techniques 5 sponges for $10. That's $2 a sponge. If you're at Marshall's, run, don't walk. This is sickening.
let's get sickening.
Okay, guys, you know what? I found this like wooden Christmas tree, which is kind of giving me life because the vibe is so cute. And I can see this being in my background. I can. With this little tiny baby gnome. Are you fucking kidding me? I want to shove him up my ass. That's Christmas. Because I want to do like a little bit of a festivity vibe. Because we're in this section right now. We're currently in Christmas fantasy. And it's spooky. Let me tell you, it's fucking spooky in here. I had to dig. That was the only tree they had. Also, I like the wooden beads. You guys know I love the anal bead energy. But what is garland? What the fuck is garland? Does that go on a tree? Or is it decoration for like your house? I don't know. I literally don't know. No one's gonna know. Okay, y'all, so listen. We have a big space here to fill. It's big. I have this big ass table. This is what the table looks like as my like background vibes right here. And I was thinking about putting some art here. What do you guys think about that? Some art pieces, maybe, perhaps, potentially. I don't know yet. Okie dokie. So we're gonna go ahead and do our little background vibes. And I have obviously the stuff I got from Home Goods here. My little baggie. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm gonna put everything like up here. Crazy. Okay, let's see. This one. I like that chocolate one is so pretty. Okay, a little candle.
My name is Kendall.
We have like a decor book. We're gonna put down and things on top of it. Now we go to the next thing's tree, which I love. I ended up buying it, y'all. I ended up buying it. Like, I couldn't not. Because it just looks fucking cool. And like, imagine a little pampas here, like right there. Pew. Look at this. Look at this. This is just so fucking cute. Like, I think the candlesticks might be like my favorite of the whole haul. Because these look so expensive and nice. I wish that they were like staggered heights, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. It is TJ Maxx. No, Marshall's Home Goods. Okay. So we have a plethora of things here that we need to decorate to be cute as fuck. I also have these like really cute things I'm gonna be adding to it, I think, but I feel like this almost feels like too like bright. Don't you think? This is giving off like, it's like very intense now against this wood. There's a lot of woods, a lot of mixed coloring. So let's go ahead and just get started and see what we can do. Cause I have other things around the house, of course, I'm gonna be using to like decorate, but let's see what like is gonna stick. Okay guys, so we have like, obviously I just brought a bunch of shit out here. So I bought these, I just loved so much, these little wooden mushroom accents, like for decor, cause I think they're so like, are you fucking kidding me? With this cuteness, this is so, I got my, this big ass vase I have from my other place with some pampas in it, which I think is so nice. I'm obsessed. I have the candlesticks here, a little vase thing, and then some other shit. So we gotta decorate this bad boy and figure out what we're gonna do with it. Cause I don't know exactly just yet, and I'm scared.
How many people were scared?
So I'm setting up this little section here, and I'm liking the pampas with the vase. And you know what? I don't even know if I want all the pampas in it though. It seems like kind of a lot. So I could literally just do the vase only with the book and the candle and like the little trees, and then like call it, you know, without the pampas in it. What do you guys think? That's kind of the vibe so far on this side. What do we think? We have a little eat, drink, nap, my exact thought process every day. My two little Christmas tree vibes, and then a Santal 26 candle from the Labo. Now you bitches over here, what are we gonna do with you? You guys, by the way, I also bought these pieces of art that I really liked, because I love the vibe of them. They're so minimal, but still like, but still celestial, you know, still celestial, even though I just got hit in the face by it. Celestial, so I have the daytime one, and I also bought the nighttime one. I love them both, like side by side. Peekaboo, you know, very that. Peekaboo, peekaboots.
Boots the house down, mama, yes, God.
What if I had like this one, like on this side? Because I want them here, you know, but I want them to be overbearing and like overpowering. And especially like, I didn't think about the, like the reflecting of the light. I didn't think about that part. Like where like the light can bounce back onto that. So I almost feel like I shouldn't, because they're obviously glass frames. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna go look around my house and see if I have any of the, I have like this one jar in my room. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. I have this one jar. It's like not just like a jar, it's like a fucking a vase jar in my room that I think could actually be the vibe. Look at this shit. Look at this. I have this in my room itself. This is in my room on top of my dresser, but this could be for the beauty room background. What do you think of her? She's stunning, she's divine, she's wonderful. I feel like she belongs there, you know? Like, I can't take her. I can't take her, dude. Like, she belongs there. She literally, do you know what she reminds me of? Like, the way she looks right now? She's giving me very Mrs. Potts from Beauty and the Beast. The frame, like her shaping, is giving very Mrs. Potts. I'm gonna keep searching, I'm gonna keep hunting. Okay guys, so here we are so far. This is the current vibe. I took out the book and added it over there because I needed some height over there because we have this tall beach. But I feel like it's looking, it's cute. It's coming together. It's coming together. We just need some finessing.
2 seconds later.
Okay guys, so this is currently the vibe right now. This is the energy. This is the energy. This is the vibe. We got our base, the little trees, a nice like bowl. This is like literally a Restoration Hardware magazine they sent me, and I'm just using it as like a stackable book. And then we have our like more base section over here. I like it a lot. So this is kind of the vibe so far, guys. I just feel like the wall's missing something. And I was also thinking potentially of grabbing like a twig from like my backyard and like having like a dead like twig out here, like kind of sprouting, would be like this energy, like going like, so then you have like the pompous on one side and like the dead twig on the other side. And I feel like it would go with the color story so nicely because I'm obviously going for like that neutral feel. Neutrals, browns, and blacks. That's like my fantasy, nudes and blacks. So this is the vibe, you guys. What do you guys think? Do we like? I think I live. I really do. I just feel like I need something up here, whether it's the art up there or not. I don't know if I want to do the art up there or just do the art in my own room. Fuck me. I'm currently looking for a twig. I'm in my backyard. I'm looking for a twig that will fit the vibes. A fucking hella twig, you guys. But the thing is, it rained. It rained, dude. It's wet out here. So I'm trying to think of what the fuck, like, and also like, are they this color or are they wet? Is water wet? Couldn't tell ya. By the way, I just moved. Obviously, I just moved. I'm here, and I've never been this high in my backyard. Oh, oh my God, there's a squirrel. That's the biggest squirrel I've ever seen. Oh no, suddenly started to pour. Hold on. Y'all see a squirrel up there? Like there's a squirrel. Hold on. There's one right there, and it's the biggest squirrel I've ever seen. You eating good, huh? He's eating good. He's also bearing a nut. Mood. I would like to bury a nut as well. Okay, I'm gonna look for my branch because it's starting to actually pour, so be back soon. You guys, what do we think? This is the little fall moment, our little fall backdrop. Do we like it? This is the end of the video, so I just figured I would show you guys what it looked like on camera for videos to come. Do we like it? I think it's really cute, actually. I'm very happy with it so far. I feel like it fits the aesthetic I want to fit, but also give it a little holiday moment with the trees, with the wooden trees. Come on, home goods, you've been to work.
Work. Hunty.
But anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it. I had so much fun like setting this up with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is what we're gonna do for now for the setup of the background. But we're gonna continue on in the room. Promise that the room space is limited, so I can't do like so much with it, but this is gonna be a work in progress, this room. Just like my whole house is, but this is a work in progress. But I hope you guys had fun watching it, enjoying it. Let me know if you guys like this kind of content. I definitely wanna include you guys more if you guys enjoy it. But yeah, that's it. That's it for my little background. And then of course a little middle piece there, but I'm in the middle. Y'all ain't gonna see that. Anyway, I hope you guys have a night or day, wherever you guys are, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, I love you. My skin is pretty fucking good too, other than this monstrosity. The Loch Ness Monster decided to perch up. Anyways, you guys, that's today's video is gonna be. Let me say that again. As always, if you guys like this video, can I do my intro or not? It's just me and Jiraiya Sensei today. It's just me and Jiraiya. Do you know, oh my God. Do you know what's, oh my God, I can speak.